yakni benta jong khubor la wanras phi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kumbah nrengut ki briu kila yap bat khasalangut ki wipat kila Shah Ktah naka Jing Lyngshop Mariang kebelajan adu ka shetarik uyayong arajar arfau hadu ka arfnatarik ujeliu mentakasnam. Yakni liathu da Menteri Katan Revenue and Disaster Management ubak Kyrmen ubak Kyrmen uliathu bakani kala jaru aki hendus pa andu tuli kisnong bat kala kataru yaki arajar sispa ka andu tuli ki ying hakabedei bakajing jur jo uslap akini ki laisi ki bradab ubak Kyrmen uliathu bagladan kejing ja kejing sleium bakajing tawa khandauru haki katu ka tuli kisnong ki bahab haki blok ki bafer ki badan hapok kejela
Banlay itu betul kan bandong be alert but to create a team example kino team juga don watch the district itself from ki BDOs ya let's say ki police personnel and plus ki officers betul kan banpe bandong alert ban ai jing rap ki paipa adat time mo bahwa yo jia kino ki kam ki bandong kirki ban ai jing rap long ki officer jo ki district administration itself overall the population affected till the 29 June 2020 from the 1st April is 15,80,684. That is total of from the 1st April till date. And then if in terms of villages affected, we have 617 from the 1st April till date. And then we have here loss of life I have been mentioned in my previous, that is total of 6 till date. And yeah, almost the same record we have. It's just that we have a latest that is flood and all in different districts, so which I have just mentioned. So but one more thing I would like to tell that we, in terms of expenditure and all, we still on the process, we are compiling it. So hope the moment we get it, so we let the people know that how much, what is the amount and what is the cost of all this affected regarding this flood. So at present we have only these details.